gonna have us some slobo-lobo dominance. Slobo-lobo dominance. Oh, hello everybody. Welcome to the channel. I am just on the outskirts of Whitehaven in North Cumbria. It's a beautiful day. It's still January. Feels like March. In the distance you can see Scafell Pike covered in snow, and Pillar Mountain also covered in snow. But it feels as though spring is upon us. Anyway, I'm having a fabulous day's riding today on my new to me CF Moto 650 MT. This is day 7 of owning this motorcycle, and I am every bit as impressed as I was when I bought it a week ago. We are heading now then to a lovely little seaside town called St.Bees, and that's what today's little film is going to be about. St.Bees. So I will just plug in the electrical bits. I am of course wearing my new Case J601 jacket, which I'll talk about later. Let's go and have a look at St.Bees. So I've ridden up the A595 from home. I had to pop down the Wasdale Valley and stick my head in at work, despite it being my day off. But we have a big wedding going on at the weekend, and I had to make sure that everything was in place for that. I was also running a little errand for one of my colleagues, Steve, the bar manager. Hello Steve. Like and subscribe, or I'm never running errands for you again. Well, the sun is out, the sky is blue, there's nothing here to spoil the view. And I made a point before I came out of having a poo, so you know, I really am having a wonderful day. And there, my friends, is the sea. Well, we do like to be beside the seaside. Yeah, we do. We do like to be beside the sea. Though I'm not particularly bothered about walking along the prom, and I don't think today there'll be any kind of a brass band going pom pom pom. Wouldn't be my thing at all. Well, we're a few miles up the coast from Sellafield, the world's nuclear waste dustbin. But we're not going there today. We're just heading down to St.Bees. An absolutely lovely little road. Brings you off the 595 and into the little town itself, where we are going to go to the seafront, having had a look around. And it might even be calm enough to get Tyrone the drone up. just have to wait and see. And here we are then, arriving into St.Bees. Very picturesque. It's got a priory and a boarding school for rich children, or the children of rich people. And somewhere along here there is a signpost to the beach. Although it looks like I've missed it. Anyway, we'll have a little ride around this charming little seaside town, and we'll do a U-ey around about here. Here's one of the big differences between this motorcycle and some of the adventure motorcycles that we rode in, you know, Poland, Gran Canaria. This one is just so manageable. I'm not even slightly worried about dropping the motorcycle here, compared to, say, the BMW R1200 GS, which I'd currently be panicking about dropping, or the Triumph Tiger 1200 Rally Pro. It just doesn't occur to me that I might overbalance and let this one fall over. Not gonna happen. So yes, here we are then, 7 days into my ownership of the CF Moto 650 MT, and the more I ride it, the more I like it. Okay, now I'm looking out for the road sign that says to the beach. It's not that one. I think it must be further up here. Oh, thank you ever so much. There's the boarding school thingy. Yeah. Is it this one? I think it's this one. I'm sure that from here all of the roads heading west will eventually take me down to the beach. And here we are, look. In the summer then, this place gets really, really busy. It's very popular, particularly with people of an elderly persuasion, shall we say. Well, that would include me, wouldn't it? Here we go then, off for a walk to the beach. pretty, isn't it? I think so. The rocks over there afford some excellent entertainment if clambering over rocks is your kind of thing. It's not for everybody, but it is for me. Well, that's always good to know. There's no lifeguard at this beach. It. I know that I did. And so that is the end of today's little film. Thank you all for watching. If you haven't already done so, like and subscribe. It helps the channel, so I'm told.